Welcome to Home Makeover. Today, we're diving into the art of color combinations in interior design, focusing on the bold and trendy mustard. We'll explore some stunning combinations: mustard with navy, mustard with gray, and mustard with maroon, and so on. Mustard and navy. Mustard and navy create a rich, elegant contrast that balances warmth and depth. Navy brings a sense of sophistication and calm, while mustard adds a pop of energy. This pairing is perfect for modern and classic interiors alike. You can use navy walls with mustard furniture or accessories to create a bold yet inviting space. Mustard and gray. For a more subtle and contemporary look, mustard and gray work beautifully together. Gray's neutral, cool undertones help soften mustard's vibrancy, making it ideal for minimalist or Scandinavian-style spaces. Think of a mustard accent chair against a soft gray wall, or mustard decor pieces in a gray-toned living room. Mustard and maroon. If you want a cozy, luxurious feel, mustard and maroon are a winning duo. The deep, rich red of maroon enhances mustard's warmth, creating a dramatic yet harmonious aesthetic. This combination is perfect for bohemian, vintage, or eclectic interiors, where layering textures and patterns can make the space feel rich and inviting. Mustard and green. Mustard and green create a fresh, nature-inspired harmony that feels both vibrant and balanced. Green, especially deep shades like forest or emerald, enhances mustard's warmth, bringing a sense of earthy elegance to interiors. Lighter greens, like sage or olive, give a softer, more organic look, perfect for bohemian or rustic spaces. Mustard and pink. Mustard and pink create a chic, playful, and stylish combination that blends warmth with softness. The bold, golden undertones of mustard add depth, while pink, especially in shades like blush, dusty rose, or coral, introduces a gentle, romantic touch. This pairing works beautifully in modern, bohemian, or eclectic interiors. Imagine a mustard accent wall with pink furniture, or a blush-toned sofa with mustard cushions and gold decor accents. For a more sophisticated look, deeper pinks like magenta or terracotta can be paired with mustard to create a rich and inviting ambience. Each of these mustard-based color schemes brings a unique character to a space, whether you're aiming for bold contrast, modern minimalism, or a deep, cozy atmosphere. Which combination is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more interior design tips. Home Makeover.